everyone, my name is Swara and today we will learn our new topic of maths, multiples and factors. You might be wondering what is a multiple versus a factor. In your NCERT textbook, you might find the lesson Be My Multiple, I'll Be Your Factor. Yeah? Now, what is this Be My Multiple, I'll Be Your Factor? Basically, what are these two terms? One side. We are saying that one side says multiple. So, what is this? From one side, someone is shouting it is a multiple. From the other side, it is factor. Now, which one? So, let's learn about both of these in detail. So, what is this multiple factor? Let's define them. Do you know multiplication tables? Yeah, I know, and I also think you also know. But what is multiple then? I've not written any definition. Write 2's table. Let me draw the 2 properly. 2 to the 4, 6, 8, 2 to the 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 7 are 14, 2 8 are 16, 2 9 are 18 and 2 10 are 20. That's all. You found the multiples of 2. What is a multiple? A multiple means when you are multiplying 2 factors to get a new number. And that is a multiple. When you multiply any 2, maybe whole numbers, natural numbers, and whatever answer you will get or the product you will get is called as the multiple. Now we will learn about these multiples in detail. What is a multiple? Now we just understood that any multiplication table. Now there are few rules about these multiples. So let's discuss about those rules. Okay. Now rules. What are the rules? Regulations for this. Rules are very easy. A number can have infinite number of multiples. Understood? Like, take a number, present, and let's do this and make this rule clear, and I'll write the rule so big that you'll understand it right now. A number has infinite number of multiples. So whether I took an example of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 7 are 14, 2 8 are all these the only multiples? No. 24, even 48, again what? 44, I'm writing any random, okay? 22, again say, yeah, even 100, even I can say 1000, I can say 150, 128, 126, 146, 156, 176, 186, and so on. And these might continue. 1000 when more than abja also, like this. This is even a multiple of 2. So now it can be this with plus of 2. If I add 2, it is divisible by, it is a multiple of 2. And again few zeros, multiple of 2. And again a 2. Again a 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. And again a 0. Is a multiple of 2. Wow. So it is infinite, right? So a number can have infinite number of multiples. Understood? That is the only rule and only regulation of a multiple. But when it says you to write the first 5 multiples, so you'll write 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2 is the first multiple, 4 is the second, 6 is the third, 8 is the fourth, and 5 is 10. Now we will understand about common multiple. So let's start. Now, what if it asks me what is the common multiple of 2 and 3? And I suspiciously will think, do not need to, you will randomly count it. Find the multiples of 2, write the multiples of 3. Clearly. Should narrow. Right. And so on. 3. Now, which are the common multiples? Now, shall I tell you? Here, if I write 2 12s are 24. Okay. Wait. 22, 24, 6, and so on. Now, fine. 2 and 3 are not common. Can I say 3 anywhere? No. In 2 and 4 only it must be. It's not. 6 is here. So, my first most common multiple is 6. Second, 9, no. 8 and 12, no. 12, which is my second common. No. Yeah. 18 and 18, right? 24 and 24. And here we'll get 30, of course. How can I miss it? So, 30 and 30. Good job! You almost completed the common multiples of 2 and 3, which are 6, which is 12, which is 18, which is 24, which is 30. But you will be fascinated to know that there are much more common multiples of 2 and 3. But this is my smallest common multiple. And we will be also moving on to the topic after we have discussed this lesson of multiples and factors. Let's move on to our another topic of multiples only. We will try few questions on this now. Are you ready? So, tell me, if I have a cat, she can jump 3 steps. Okay, this is a general life example. Let's take it. It's of common multiples only. I have a tower and it has stairs going endlessly, okay? Many stairs. Now this is cat. My cat can jump 2 steps. And this is me. I can jump 4 steps. Okay. So now when we will both come together, my cat jumps 2 steps. So she will be somewhere here. So first, second. So she's on the second step here. And I can jump 4 steps. So 1, 3, 4. I will be on here. Next. It will jump 2 steps. 1, 2. 1 2 1 2 3 4. Fourth step up here. Now it will again jump 2 steps. On the fourth step, see, it was a 1 second, sorry, it will jump here. Oh, we made exactly. So let's see the common multiples. 2, 4, 6 and 8, and that's it. Rest. 4 is 4. Woo, I found right. So let's see first, second, and first, second, third, fourth. On the fourth step of second, I found that where LCM is, not LCM, the common multiple, first common multiple is 4. And that is how the concept of common multiples starts. Now, this was not only that, but the activity from this page. So we have discussed much more about multiples, common multiples, and all these things. Now, one game you can play with your friends for making a bit stronger. Now, first, let's say we are discussing the multiples of 3. So you'll say 1. Then that person will say 2. Then you will say, when there is a multiple of 3, you will say meow. Then first another person will say 4. You will say 5. Then that person will say 6. It's a multiple of 3. Meow. And who spoke the multiple would be out from the game. Okay then. So today we learned about multiples, what are multiples, how to find common multiples, and multiples are like a bit of multiplication tables. So now perhaps I suppose you have understood the concept of multiples. So we will move on to the next videos like upcoming. It will be on factors, and then we will move on to the lesson of LCM and HCF, and then we will cover the syllabus. Okay, so we are only left for few pages. So let's go and check that word. Okay then, bye, see you.